Okay, so welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking to install the Grimmspeed pulley cover. So you can see we've got all the parts here ready to go. So I've brought this used. So it'll give you a rough idea how to fit it. There might be a bracket or so missing, because I think there's something that clip the wires in underneath. But here a cable tie will do just as suffice. So we'll work that through as we go through the install video. Just let you know how we get on installing it, give you an idea of how to fit yours. So let's go to the car. Okay, so we want to remove this cover and this cover. It's just a 10mm socket. Just get those off. Right, you're not going to need these bolts for the installation, so we'll put these to one side because the kit comes with new bolts for the cover. Oh, we'll get the magnet and get that out the engine bay. That's that out. I always keep one of those magnets to hand. Next is this cover. So again, two 10mm bolts to get that off. Okay, so that's that out. So we just need to undo these clips on here. Let's have a look. So a pair of pliers to squeeze that one. That's one out. Flip that over and similar. Pair of pliers just squeezing on the back. Out that comes. Okay, so the part that I'm missing, and I'll show it on the screen now, basically a metal plate that bolts onto this side here, and it allows you to clip this in and clip this in. Well, that's missing. I got mine second hand, so if you get yours, you use the original bolt to bolt that metal plate in place, and then you just clip those in. What I'm actually going to do is just cable tie this wire so it doesn't go anywhere to this hole here, because we're going to be using this hole to actually bolt the cover on. And for this cable, all this is going to be hidden, so I'm going to actually bolt it to here, or cable tie it to here. Okay, so all I'm going to do is feed a cable tie through here. And all we're doing with the cable tie solution is making sure these cables don't go anywhere they shouldn't. So let's get him, and we're not going to see any of this anyway, it's all going to be hidden away. So let's pull that tight, then snip him off. So that's that one. Then again, we're going to do the similar thing with this. We're not going to see any of this, so let's just cable tie this up. Now the metal plate that they supply is a nice solution, so I recommend you fit that. I just, like I say, got this second hand, so I didn't get it. We want to stop this wire from hitting the belt, so let's just cable tie it in place, and it's not going to go anywhere then. It stays away from our pulleys, and these cable ties will be hidden anyway. Okay, so next you take your cover that you're going to be fitting. You've got a spacer and you've got the longest bolt. So feed the bolt through first, and then the spacer, and that will bolt to this hole here on the left. So it's a bit tricky to do, but if you look from the side, that should fit in quite nicely. Okay, so that fits there. Looking at this, it's going to need a washer. So So let's drop this back out. It's easy enough to do, literally with your fingers. Let's go, I'll go and grab a washer from the garage. So what you do, easiest way, is get your bolt, get your washer on top, feed that through. Then you can see underneath here, put the spacer over the back of the bolt, and it's going into this one here. So reminder, we're using the longest bolt and the longest spacer on the right hand side. Okay. We come over to this side, and again we're going to put that spacer, or washer, sorry, not spacer, washer on the front. Put the bolt through the spacer on the back, and then we're bolting straight to the hole where we remove the original bolts on the front. Now do it up, finger tight, finger tight. Check that's clearing all your belts and it hasn't been bent out of shape or anything weird like that. And then what we'll do is we'll use an Allen key just to tighten those up. Okay, so we're not going to do it super tight, but just tight enough that it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, tighten that up. That's now solid, in place, not going anywhere, looks perfect. So if you found our installation video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for updates on future content. So hit that notification bell and you'll get alerts every time we update with new content on the BRZ. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thread bits, and there's actually little holes on the bottom.